resilience. I think I just wanted to touch on a quick topic before we maybe move on to the last topic of the podcast today. But what I found in I've gone through I've gone through some adversity in life. My mom had cancer when I was in school, and other things, losing my rugby contract due to a knee injury, tearing my ACL, coming back from that, playing again, stuff like that. But I think, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But anyway, showing resilience in trading, I think, is also a very, very big topic, because lots of people are like, oh, I'm resilient, until something big happens to them in their life, and they're like, oh, I'm ready to give up, or they just quit so easily. I think why I also think trading specifically is because you have so much negative people say so much negative shit about your trading, that you actually have to blow past and put it out your subconscious, because you can't be at the desk thinking, oh, so-and-so says I can't do it because he couldn't do it, or so-and-so says you'll never make it at trading because it's not a career. It's a new age, and it's not a career. I mean, you have to be so resilient, and to be like being self-belief. But I think that's one thing you do really well, is you always very uplifting, because you want people to succeed. You've seen for yourself, whether it be family members or friends say, oh, Austin, you can never trade for a living, you can never make a career trading. But I mean, doing it for yourself and being resilient, really, you portray that resilience onto other people. And I think that's wouldn't you agree, that's a big key in trading?
100%, because nothing in trading is easy. It's simple to learn how to trade, like to learn a technical system. That's simple, but the mental things that you have to overcome, the constant mental battles with yourself that you have, resiliency, you have to be a rubber band, bro. Never break, just bend, stretch. You never break. You always come back to that center, calm equilibrium. And it's hard. Like, that is very difficult for a lot of people to do. And I think that's why a lot of people can't consistently make money trading. They might make money here or there, but they can't get into it. And that's really where the Black Shirt Club comes from, bro. Like, the idea of what we started at the end of the year. So for everybody that doesn't know, James and I just started a small group coaching, how would you call it? Like a mentorship group, small group coaching? Mentorship. Yeah. Basically what we're doing is we're working with only 15 traders at a time. We have a couple of spots open right now. So if you'd like to apply, I'll put a link in the description. It's asfx.biz, BIZ/BSC, Black Shirt Club. The Black Shirt Club is inspired by Mike Bellafiore's SMB Capital. They would give the traders a black shirt if they made $1 million in a year net, I think. So we kind of just ripped off of that. Since I've always had black shirts with the white logo, it just worked really fucking well. And now what we're doing is really helping traders, specifically right now, I feel like, get funded. And in the process of helping people move from a demo account into a live account and get funded, we're seeing their resiliency tested. We're seeing who's got the moral character and who doesn't to make it work. And also we're seeing the people who are looking to other successful traders within that group, and they're saying, hey, Tom does this, and this really well, and I don't. Let me go talk to Tom. How am I going to get good at that if I don't go hang out with somebody that's already good at it? You know 100%. What I'm saying? So we're kind of setting that up for people to be willing to admit their weaknesses and find the outlet to then make it a strength. Now there is a thing in trading where you don't need to make all of your weaknesses strengths. Some of them you can avoid and just not trade into. If you're not a counter trend trader, don't trade counter trend.
Don't do it.
You avoid it. Yeah, done. But if your weakness is in your mental ability to take a loss and stay focused and then find another trade, then I would suggest getting around other traders that handle losses really well. The only way to get better at that is to be around those people. And that's where the Black Shirt Club comes from. What have you seen so far in the Black Shirt Club that you really are appreciative of, or that you really think is valuable to the guys so far? Guys and girls. I think got girls in there too.
Yeah. Shout out Megan. I think
no Billies.
Oh, no Billies as well. Yeah, that's true. I think for one, it's like, we really dealing, because you and I were like, okay, cool. Like there's like ASFX starting to get quite big now. As I said, I joined when there was 180 members, and now there's almost 1.5, pushing 1.5. So I think we were like, there needs to be some sort, because I've had some of my friends that have bought the beginner course, and they're like, because they've seen me doing well with ASFX, and they're like, hey, if James can, I finished my degree last year, I didn't go and get a job like most people would. I'm making my money trading. And they were like, if James can just buy the course and become successful, that's all I got to do, right? Just buy the course and become successful. I've had some of my mates that just buy the course and then don't do anything afterwards. And I think that's what we do kind of get in the big ASFX Discord group chat, is because you get people that will be in that group and think that all you got to do is buy a course and that's it. You're going to make money. And obviously, we know as if you stick around in trading for a while, you'll realize that isn't the case. But I think what I found from the Black Shirt Club is that the networking with the really, really people that are trying to take their trading to the next level, trying to get funded with 100 grand, 200 grand, 500 grand, whatever it might be. And then from there, just scaling up and try to take it full time. You know, we've got some guys that are like really prestige businessmen in there, have their own businesses, are entrepreneurs. Some of them are studying. Some of them, you know, are just like me and you, trying to trade full time. I mean, I know Tom's working in the telecoms communication business and he wants to start to trade full time. But all the guys and girls in there are trying to be serious and trying to do what we're doing, trade full time and make trading our career. And I think that's what the BSC is the most valuable point